Pyka was founded in 2017 by 4 entrepreneurs with a vision to bring society a safer, cleaner, and more cost-effective form of transportation enabled by autonomous electric aircraft. But to get there, we have taken a very different approach than most. First, we gave up on the vertical takeoff and landing requirements of past aircraft we had developed in order to dramatically simplify our products and increase their range. And second, we wanted to bring an autonomous electric aircraft to market as fast as humanly possible. So we targeted use cases that have an inherent tolerance of risk and an immediate need for innovation. We started with the most dangerous commercial aviation mission on Earth, which is crop dusting. And then the question for us was, can we actually show an end-to-end proof of these autonomous electric capabilities, really demonstrate their significance to customers? So that is exactly what we did. We identified the requirements for the market and designed an extremely innovative product to fit those requirements that incorporates just dozens of proprietary technologies, ranging from batteries to motor controllers to motors, and the entire flight control stack and avionics underneath that. We then secured precedent-setting regulatory approvals for the aircraft, which allows us to operate commercially in the United States, in Brazil, and much of Latin America. We delivered to some of the biggest players in the market, including Dole and Embraer, and ramped production to roughly 1 aircraft per month while racking up over 5,000 flights. On top of that, we answered the market's demand for a large-scale, zero-emission cargo aircraft by launching an exciting new product, Pelican Cargo. Today, we've delivered Pelican Cargo to customers including the United States Air Force Research Lab, as well as Skyport's drone services. And we managed to pull all of this off with roughly $30 million spent. With 5 years of commercial operation under our belt and customers across 3 different continents, Pyka is by far the leader in commercializing large-scale autonomous electric aircraft. We're now rapidly scaling up production in the Bay Area with an eye towards significant revenue growth in the next couple of years, as well as a fast path to profitability.
Hey there, I'm Thomas Simo, Marketing Director at Pyka. We are an autonomous electric aircraft manufacturer based in Alameda, California. This is our 2nd generation agriculture aircraft, Pelican 2. It's a fully autonomous, fully electric ag aircraft designed for aerial application. You have an 80-gallon payload, 59-foot swath width. Depending on your application rate, you can cover up to 220 acres per hour. Most of our commercial operations are in Central and South America. We're operating with Dole, SLC Agricola, and some others.
Oh, terrific. And what's the weight? Do you know the weight of this aircraft?
Yeah, so the max takeoff weight is 1,320 pounds.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this aircraft is authorized by the FAA for commercial operation in the United States.
So you can operate in general aviation airspace with this?
Not quite.
Okay.
Yeah, that's going to depend on, the restrictions of the area you're in, but definitely on, a private farm
Okay.
where the pilot has the correct...
And what I notice here is what is this?
This is a forward-facing LiDAR sensor.
LiDAR?
So this is the main driver of the aircraft's autonomy.
Okay.
Essentially, this LiDAR sensor will generate a 3D map of the area that you want to spray.
Uh-huh.
The aircraft will plot a spray mission over the rectangle or whatever shape field.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
spray. You click start and it goes off and does its thing.
Oh, how nice.
Yeah, it will come in when it needs to do a battery swap or a tank refill.
Will it automatically recover itself if it gets a low battery, or do you guys command that?
Yeah, there are a number of things it can do. It can either go up and just loiter in a circle, or it will just come right back in and land on the runway where it knows to.
Okay, so it must operate from a short runway. You don't need a conventional.
Right.
You can
right.
dirt strip.
Yeah, so about 820 feet is what we say for required runway.
Okay.
Fully loaded, it will take off in under that, obviously around 600 feet.
So what I'm noticing too is we have the front prop, 2 of them.
Yep.
Which is a tractor style, but I just now saw that you have a pusher.
There are There are rear props on this aircraft. So part of the next generation, the Pelican 2 design, was an upgraded 4-motor configuration.
Uh-huh.
Our previous version had a 3-motor configuration. Yeah, the rear props are essentially there for redundancy.
Okay.
In case one to go out,
So this can fly with less than 4 motors
That's
running.
right. Yeah, it flies. It uses primarily the 2 front motors.
Okay.
And these are all, electric motors, super easy maintenance, very easy to swap out in case of a repair.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate you taking the time to talk with me.
Sure.
And
Thanks so much.
yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thanks for coming to see us at World Ag Expo.
Perfect.